Hi friends, in this coming, do you know how to check the multi-tools qualities? How to check it today? Let's show you how to check the knife. How to check the knife quality. Let's put a A4 paper. Let's test like this. That is okay. Then after our test, we know the knife is really very sharp. And then let me tell you how to check the Pliers qualities. The wire cutter. Let's put a line here. So the wire cutter. Let's check it's okay or not. Wow, do you see it? It's nearly perfect. So after the windows, do you know how to test the quality of multi-tools? Welcome to Contact Me.